Hi everyone, I'm here to do some more Heggerty exercises with you. Today we're going to start with rhyming. I'm going to say 3 words and I want you to repeat the 2 that rhyme. Listen carefully. Cab, fib, tab. Pet, hit, wet. Did, nod, hid. Hit, rot, sit. Neck, pick, deck. Ham, home, jam. Sock, cup, rock. Hog, jug, jog. Fun, ran, sun. Butt, mitt, cut. Good. Now we're going to listen for beginning sounds. I'm going to say 2 words. You repeat the 2 words, and if they start with the same beginning sound, you give a thumbs up. And if they do not start with the same beginning sound, you give a thumbs down. Zip, zoo. Boy, bank. Dad, dollar. Fun, fast. Girl, mom. Home, hike. Jog, jump. Keep, lost. Miss, make. Name, never. Good job. Now we're going to blend onsets and rhyme. So get your choppers ready. I'm going to say the onset and rhyme. You will repeat it, and then we'll blend the word together. Run, run, up, cup, us, fuss, sub, sub, tuck, tuck, jet, jet, ed, red, bell, bell, men, men, less, less. Good job. Now we're going to listen for ending sounds. So I'm going to say 2 words, you repeat the 2 words, and then together we'll make the ending sound. Heat, wet. T, gave, stove. V, fix, ox. X, tub, crib. B, mad, fade. D, wife, leaf. Us, toss. S, arm, hum. Sleep, rip. Duck, pick. Okay, now we're going to segment onset and rhyme. So we'll have our choppers ready. I'm going to say the word, you repeat it, and then we'll chop the onset and the rhyme. Mob, mob, sock, sock, nod, odd, hop, op, got, ot, tub, ub, luck, luck, bug, ug, jug, jug, some, good. Okay, now we're going to substitute phonemes. So get your fists ready. I'm going to say a word, you're going to repeat it, and then we're going to change the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is but. Change b to k, cut. The word is cut. Change k to g, gut. The word is gut. Change g to h, hut. The word is hut. Change h to nut. The word is nut. Change n to r, rut. The word is bell. Change b to s, sell. The word is sell. Change s to t, tell. The word is tell. Change t to w, well. The word is well. Change w to f, fell. The word is fell. Change f to y, yell. Good. Even I get confused doing that sometimes. All right, we're going to add beginning sounds. So we'll start with the ending rhyme. We'll add the onset to make a word. The word is N. Add D to the beginning. Den. The word is N. Add M to the beginning. Men. The word is N. Add H to the beginning. Hen. The word is N. Add P to the beginning. Pen. The word is N. Add T to the beginning. 10. Good. Now we're going to delete beginning sounds. So here we go. The word is had. Without H, the word is add. The word is did. Without D, the word is id. The word is box. Without B, the word is ox. The word is rub. Without R, the word is ub. The word is pet. Without P, the word is et. Good job today.